Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today once again with a topic on the Xbox Cloud, and today with a really interesting feature, which is the Xbox S, X and Xbox One are now ready to use the cloud feature, which is just awesome. Now, for those of you that haven't followed the channel, I will leave some links right over here where we did talk about the storage, a way to get around the internal storage being short, because the games, at least the new games, are large and we will fill the internal storage really quickly. And one of the main advantages, at least in my point of view, for the cloud gaming on the Xbox consoles is exactly that. Now, as we know, the Xbox S has 512 gigs of storage, so if we download a few of the newest games, it will feel really quick. And one of the ways that we have is to use an external SSD to offload some game and then bring them back once we want to play. I did record a video about that. I will leave a link right over here. That's one solution. For the older games, that's not an issue. We can use a mechanical, cheaper hard drive where we can offload all the games there. But for the newest games, that's not a possibility. Now, with the cloud feature, that changes everything, because what we can do is to play immediately without having the need to download the game. And this is just awesome. We have tried on PC, we have tried on Mac, we have tried on phones and on tablets, including iPhone and Android phones, and we have even tried on Android TV box, the Nvidia Shield TV, which I will leave a link right over here. It's not the official app, but we did the workaround and it works just awesome. I'm really eager to see the official app on Android TV, but until then we have that method right over there. And right now we have on the Xbox consoles. I did play with a few games. Now the games are the same, the graphics are really nice, but what I would like to mention is that the best of everything is that I can swap from one game to another and to another and to another without having the need to download the game, and that is just awesome. And we'll be able to give the players that use an Xbox the ability not only to use more games and play more games quickly without having to do the download and try the game for themselves before if they want to download and play offline, for example. But the other great advantage is that some games were designed for the PC platform and some games were designed for the console platform. And before the cloud service available, you would need a PC to play the PC games and a console to play the console games. And right now, at this moment, with the console, you will be able to play the console and PC games, and with the PC, you will be able to play the PC and console games. And this is just awesome. We have talked about this in the past, so I will not waste your time right over here, but just wanted to share with you these great news. I did try it, it's awesome, and I'm eager to see what news Xbox comes on the near future and the improvements that they will be doing on the platform. That being said, hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, Jorge, signing off with the Xbox right over here, and we'll see you on the next one.